Hi, my name is Woo Sung Chung.
Hi, my name is Daiane Leal. My nickname is Dai, D-A-Y.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Najman. My nickname is Johnny.
Hi, I am Agnès Tunkara. My first name, Agnès, is spelled A-G-N-E-S. My last name is spelled T-O-U-N-K-A-R-A.
My name is Brad Foch. My first name, Brad, is spelled B-R-A-D. My last name, Foch, is spelled F-O-T-S-C-H.
Hi, my name is Callum Doherty. I'm from Glasgow in Scotland. I'm 18 years old and I'm a student at Harvard University.
I'm from Guatemala City, Guatemala, and I'm a computer engineer.
Hi, my name is Hannah Lee. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student at Boston College and I'm from Douglaston, New York.
My favorite actor is Antonio Banderas.
My favorite actress is Julia Roberts.
My favorite actress is Angelina Jolie because I think she is the most beautiful woman in the world.